Today I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails at once in Thunderbird. This is incredibly useful when you need to clean up a cluttered inbox or archive folder quickly, rather than deleting messages one by one, which can take forever. First, open your Thunderbird application. Once it loads, you'll notice the folder pane on the left side of your screen. This pane displays all your email folders, including your inbox, sent items, trash, and any custom folders you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific folder where you want to delete all emails at once. It could be your inbox, a promotional folder, or any other location that's accumulated messages you no longer need. Click on that folder to open it. When you do this, all the emails within that folder will display in the main viewing area. You'll see the list of messages populate, and this is the folder we're going to work with. Now here's a key step that reveals some hidden menu options. Press the Alt key on your keyboard. This action will display the traditional menu bar at the top of the Thunderbird window, showing options like File, Edit, View, and others. This menu bar isn't always visible by default, which is why pressing Alt is necessary to access these powerful features. From the menu bar that just appeared, click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with various editing options for managing your emails. Within this drop-down, look for and click on Select. This will reveal another submenu with selection options. In that submenu, click on All. This action will highlight every single email in the current folder, selecting them all at once. You'll notice all the messages in your list are now highlighted, indicating they're selected and ready for the next action. Now click on Edit again from the menu bar at the top. The same drop-down menu will appear, but this time you're looking for a different option. Click on Delete Selected Messages. This command will immediately remove all the selected emails from your folder. Depending on how many emails you had, you might see them disappear instantly, or there might be a brief processing moment if you're deleting a large number of messages. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all emails at once from your chosen folder in Thunderbird, saving yourself considerable time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.